When you need tough and rugged equipment around your house and yard, you need Powerhorse. Take this towable wood chipper and shredder. Easily feed branches and brush up to 5 inches in diameter into the 9-inch chipper drum with double-edged steel cutting blades. Start up quickly with the recoil start and get the job done with the efficient and reliable 420cc 15 horsepower OHV gas engine and double V-belt drive for smooth operation. Effortlessly move the unit on 16-inch pneumatic tires. Hitch it to your ATV or UTV with the 2-inch coupler for easy off-road transport between jobs. Quickly reduce yard waste piles with this towable wood chipper and shredder from Powerhorse.